OMG, y'all, I'm in my closet. I don't really have a prayer closet, so like I have to use my real closet. I'm having to come in here so that I can just woosah. Y'all, I walked into my kitchen early this morning, and let me just tell you, I'm not a morning person. So yeah, I walked into my kitchen and it looked like a hurricane hit it. My daughters did not clean up last night. So yeah, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Oh joy. Oh joy. Look at this. It's a disaster. Look. Oh my goodness. My youngest just had a birthday party, so yeah, excuse the extremely humongous LOL house. So yeah, needless to say, look at this. It's time to clean up. So by this time, I was kind of fussing a little bit, and so I enlisted a little bit of help. I then told the girls to go upstairs and clean, so that's the reason why I'm doing more down here and the girls are upstairs. So the method I pretty much took was to first just get everything out of the way that could be put up quickly, like the drinks and the trash bag and the trash liner, and clear off the countertops and everything. So funny thing, right here I was trying to make some juice. Well, actually some sweet tea. And I didn't even have a clean dish to stir the sweet tea. So I had to just put the top back on, put it in the refrigerator until I could clean it. It was that bad. This is real life, you all. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Here you will find cleaning, motivation, home decor, and just everyday life. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing. To all returning subscribers, welcome back. So here I'm wiping the table, but first I just kind of wipe it down before I actually go into, the sanitation and everything. Just kind of getting up different spots and things. I mean, my girls do homeschooling at this table, and it's just a lot that gets on here, like, pencil shavings, erasers, all kinds of things. And so I'm just kind of cleaning that. Now what I'm doing is I'm using antibacterial wipes, and I'm sanitizing the table and the chairs. May as well do that as well. Now here it may look like I'm talking to myself. I promise you all I'm not. I'm actually talking to Siri, and I'm telling her to play music because I love to listen to music and clean up at the same time. I don't know, I just feel like it helps me clean faster or maybe even be more productive. And it's just fun.
So here I'm doing the exact same thing. I pretty much wipe down, get all the dry dirt off of the surfaces. Then I clean, and then I use the disinfectant wipes or a disinfectant liquid afterwards. These dishes though. So with the dishes, I'm the type where I like to rinse first. I like to make sure most of the dirt and everything is off of the dishes before I actually, wash them. I'm kind of old school when it comes to dishes. I don't tend to use the dishwasher for more than a drying rack when I'm done, if it's just a lot of dishes. But so I'm just pretty much prepping everything and making sure that it'll be ready to go. And some of the dishes where there are things that are hard to get off, I'll just kind of let them soak for a while. This time I went on and decided to wipe down a little bit more than what I had anticipated. So I'm wiping around the dish drying rack, and I also even decided to go ahead and clean that. You know how sometimes it can just get like water buildup or whatever on there, and it kind of can defeat the purpose of having the clean dishes being put in there. So I wanted to make sure I did that first. Well, here I guess I was getting a little too excited. A song by Beyonce came on, so then I started feeling it, so I started singing. So hey, like I said, sometimes cleaning can be a lot, but make it fun. usually wash my pots second to last, and then I wash my knives last. I like to keep them separated just for safety. So in this pot, I had a little bit of eggs. I think it was eggs left in there. So here's a strange hack. What I do is I take a rubber spatula sometimes. Cause you know how sometimes when you take like a sponge or like something like a scouring pad, it can scratch up your pot or your pan. And or it gets caught in the little green part of your sponge. So what I do sometimes, I take a rubber spatula and scrape up everything there. And then I just wash both items and it's like new. And it kind of keeps things neat. Not neat, it keeps it sanitized. It's easier to keep it sanitized. And here it is. It is nice and clean. Now, the dishes that are still there, my daughters are gonna get that. That's the least they can do. No, I'm just joking. But at this point, the girls have come down. They're wanting some breakfast, and it's funny how they pop up at the very end when everything's done. But if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.